In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate Shopify theme. Duplicating your theme is a safe way to experiment with design changes, test new apps, or prepare a seasonal update without touching your live storefront. By the end, you'll have a copy you can preview, rename, download, and publish when you're confident it's ready. Start by signing in to your Shopify admin. This is your store's control center, and you'll need permission to manage themes. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu and select Online Store. This opens the area where all of your website's appearance and templates are managed. Within Online Store, go to Themes. Here you'll see your current theme at the top and your theme library below it. The current theme is what visitors see right now, while the library contains unpublished versions you can work on safely. Find the theme you want to copy, most commonly your current one, hover over it to reveal the options. You'll see an icon with 3 dots, often labeled as an actions menu. Click those 3 dots to open the list of available actions for that theme. Choose Duplicate. Shopify will instantly create a copy and add it to your theme library. The new theme usually appears with a name like copy of followed by the original name. This copy is unpublished and won't affect your live site, so it's perfect for testing. If you want to keep things organized, rename the duplicate. Open the actions menu for the copied theme and select rename. Use a clear descriptive name like homepage test or holiday refresh so you'll always know which version holds your latest edits. If you need to move this theme to another store, download it. From the actions menu on the duplicated theme, choose download theme file. Shopify will prepare a zip file and email it to the store owner address. Remember, a downloaded theme includes the theme's code and assets, not your store data like products, pages, or installed apps. Those will need to be set up separately in the destination store. When you're satisfied with your changes, preview the duplicate to double check layout, navigation, and app blocks. If everything looks good, open the actions menu and select publish. Publishing replaces your current live theme with the duplicate, but don't worry, the previous live theme remains in your theme library so you can switch back if needed. That's it, you've duplicated, optionally renamed and downloaded and then published when ready, all without risking your live site while you worked.